Hi, this webinar will show you how to add a protocol to Speedy Breedy and then subsequently start a test from the software. If you are not familiar with the components of the software yet, please have a look at our Getting Started with the Software webinar. In order to start the test, go to the Devices tab and double-click on Speedy Breedy. This will open it in the Workspace. The size of the workspace is determined by how far and how many of the lists are expanded, so to maximize the workspace, simply minimize the lists by double-clicking or dragging. Here we can see all the information for that Speedy Breedy: the serial number, the firmware version, and the status of the left and right chambers. We can also see the protocols and the tests currently on the SD card in the Speedy Breedy. As this is the first time the software is being used, the lists on Speedy Breedy are empty. In order to start the test, Speedy Breedy needs to have at least one protocol on the SD card to tell it what to do. To put the protocol on Speedy Breedy, simply go to the protocols list, select the protocol, and either drag it into the devices list on the Speedy Breedy, or if the Speedy Breedy is open, drag it into the Speedy Breedy tab in the workspace. Either here or here, and then let go. A pop-up message saying adding protocol to device, please wait, followed by updating protocols, please wait, will appear. After the messages have disappeared, the protocol appears in the list and the test can be started. Please ensure that there are vessels in Speedy Breedy and that the lids are closed. Then click on Start Test in the top right hand corner of the protocol that was just added and select which chambers the test should be started in. Left chamber, right chamber, or both chambers. A message pops up reading Synchronizing live test, please wait. After it has disappeared, a new tab will open for the live test, and it will also be visible in both test lists on the PC and the Speedy Breedy, denoted with live test. Here. And also here. The graph area is blank until the first minute has passed. After that, a green line and 4 points will appear on the graph, denoting the current extent of the test. After the second minute has passed, the points will start to be connected by different colored lines. This is due to the fact that Speedy Breedy only outputs data every minute. You have now successfully started the test. To find out more about how to interpret and manipulate graphs and data, please have a look at our other webinars. Tests can be cancelled at any point if you wish to do so. Simply find the live test in the tests list, right-click, and select Cancel. Alternatively, tests can also be started and cancelled from the Speedy Breedy. For more information on that, please see the manual. Once you've cancelled the test, a window will pop up asking you if you want to save the test. You can now remove the test from Speedy Breedy after saving, or simply just copy the test to the tests list on the computer. It will be stored there, and as long as you don't delete it by right-clicking and saying Remove from PC, it will stay there. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or require more information. Please also see our other webinars for more information on different aspects of the software. You can email us at support@speedybreedy.com. Thank you and goodbye.